how much fruit can you have when you go on a food detox? How often do you eat? These are questions people ask all the time. And when you go on fruits, initially when you start, you might want to eat a lot of fruits because you think that you're making up for all the starchy, heavy foods or the animal products. But as you progress with 100% fruit, you realize that you don't eat that much, okay? And you start dropping weight, you will start, skin will improve, hair will start to grow. But there's no golden rule. Eat as much as you want. If it's 100% fruits, you can't eat too much, really. I mean, I've never heard of anyone sitting down and eating too much fruits, okay? Like, the most I've seen people eat fruits is like 10 oranges at a sitting. And if you add those 10 oranges together, it's nothing compared to eating a steak or some cooked starches. So there's no limit. So eat what you want to feel full. But as you progress, you realize that as the body gets more efficient, you're eating less and less and less because the body's clean. And very little nutrients are needed, especially if the nutrients are alive with like fruits, that you don't need much, okay? Very simple.